So yeah, we were talking about the monthly candle. So this is what you can expect after it gives you a closure. Now weekly, same thing. Daily, same thing. If you see the previous two daily candles that close in heavy bullish side, right? It might go up, it might start range, it might drop. We will figure this out going through the session to session. That's why I like to trade session to session. Even though yes, we're gonna look for the daily, we're gonna look for the weekly, we're also gonna look for the monthly side as well. But it's good to know like the bigger perspective in the market, so you have an idea, okay, this is where you can expect the price can go. Okay, so now if we look for the session to session, if you look for, okay, where are the high possibility that the price can go in this session where we're going to take trade, right? So either we can take trade on the buy side or the sell side.
So what you need to see here, okay, what happened in the previous session? Price drop in the New York session, if you can see here. Okay, so this was basically the whole previous day. So what happened yesterday, since yesterday Asian session till now, price pushed down in the Asian session. This was Asian session, right? In the London session, what happened? Price starts pushing it up around here. Now this was the New York session. What happened? Price continue pushing it up. Overall, it's showing, okay, the trend is now switching from bearish side to the bullish side. And after that, before market close and now till the market open, price is ranging in this zone. From where? From 4171 to 4160. That's like around 100 ticks. That's very, very ideal, right? Because in this range, you're not going to lose a lot of it, because when the price starts ranging in the big zones, then it's really hard to figure it out where it will go. So right now, price is, if it's ranging in the zone, all you have to do is wait for a simple breakout. All you have to do is wait for some volume coming in. Once the volume starts kicking in and you see, okay, price starts breaking this, give you a nice closure below or upside, right? And the volume starts kicking in, there is very easy to identify those moves, and you should always wait for that. And since this week started, I was keep saying Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, don't expect too much, but Thursdays, Fridays, these are the days where you're gonna make most amount of money. So same example, during the New York session today, we waited maybe 1 hour or 2 hours for the trade, and we took the buys somewhere around here. Yeah, we took the buys and price literally push up around 300 ticks, and it takes around maybe max 10 to 15 minutes for that trade to go from our entry to 300 ticks. But we waited for that setup for like at least 2 hours, right? So same thing you need to do. You need to learn that, okay, it's going to be wait time maybe 30 minutes, maybe 1 hour, maybe 2 hours, maybe 3 hours, but the actual trade time might be 5 to 10 minutes, sometimes 30 minutes. Sometimes price likes to go against you and then starts going in your direction. Okay, so all you have to do for this session now, you need to wait and you need to observe here what is happening. Okay, the reason why I like to do this in real time instead of or record my video and then tell you this is what's going to happen, that's no fun. Like looking at the price live, trading at the live in the real market, where you can also learn, where you can also earn as well. So right now, price is ranging. We need to wait for there. You know, the flip strategy, we have the 4 steps. So you need to align all those 4 things. Number one, you need to identify the trend. If you already know, okay, is it going to go up or down? Right now it's in ranging, so we need to wait for that. Second thing, you need to mark your zones. Are your zones are marked? Yes, that's a tick line. Okay, the zones are marked. We mark our zones very well, and we're waiting for the price to go up or downside. Number three, you need to wait for closures. You need to wait for the confirmations. How you gonna do that? Once the volume starts kicking in the market, the price starts pushing towards upside, downside, wherever it goes. It gives you a breakout. It gives you a change of character, whatever name you want to call, whatever strategy you trade. All these strategies work exactly the same way. And I mean the last step, number four, trading, right? How you gonna execute your trade? How you gonna manage that risk? Where you gonna do the stops at break even? Where you gonna take your partials? Where you gonna take your TPs and SLs and all those things, right? So all these things you need to learn. You need to focus on that. Money, it will eventually come. Don't worry about the money. Don't worry about the passing the accounts. Don't worry about getting the funding. Once you start focusing in these things, this checklist, trading is super duper easy. This strategy, because you are not using any indicators, any MACDs, any EMAs, any VWAPs, nothing like that. All you have to do is mark your zones, wait for the price, give you the confirmation, give you some breakouts, execution, take your trade, make some money, close out your charts, come back next day. Make it easy, make it simple. Okay,